Okay, well, now that I got this on and ready to roll, I'm going to run a little, basically a drill, do a couple mag changes in it, just see how it runs. I'm going to use the sling so that when I'm dry, I'm going to go ahead and use the 40 and do a mag change with that as well. You know, I haven't done this for a while, so I just want to see what this is like and manipulation. It's kind of heavy up front with that launcher underneath it, so I'll just see how it goes.